Unsure how to locate the cart drawer class? Stay tuned. I'll guide you on how to find and customize the cart drawer class in your Shopify store using OneTick. Firstly, we need to access the cart page. In the live view, click on the cart icon to open the cart drawer. Right-click the space that contained the cart item, then select Inspect. Next, use the Elements tab in your browser's developer tools to inspect the HTML structure and identify the class name of the cart drawer. Under the Element tab, hover over the code so that it highlights the block that wraps all cart items. The class or tag of the cart items container usually contains words like drawer items or cart drawer items. Double-click the class name and copy it. Finally, we need to locate cart drawer class to custom selector in OneTick. Back to the OneTick Upsell Cross-Sell app, select Product Offers on the menu on the left. Paste the class name into the custom selector box. For classes, use this format. In case you want to use the tag name, use this format. For more precise targeting, you can combine tag and class by using this format. Please remember the class name may be different for each page and theme. Make sure it's the same name of the class when you inspect the HTML structure. If you're unable to find the class, or if adding the class doesn't work, feel free to reach out to our live chat. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.